Okta support team again. Let's unlock your next opportunity. Everything begins right here on the Okta marketplace. You can browse by category or use the search bar to quickly find the machine you're looking for. When you open a listing, you'll see what type it is: buy now, best offer, or auction. You'll also find detailed photos for a clear visual, and on the right-hand side, you'll see key details like location, rigging and loading info, transportation options, and seller information. Scroll down to view technical specs, conditions, and supporting documents. Everything you need to make an informed decision. Still deciding? Add the item to your watch list or reach out to the seller for more details. Ready to move forward? Click Buy Now or Make an Offer. Just keep in mind, Buy Now is a direct purchase, so make sure your payment info is ready and you've reviewed the terms. Once you submit your offer, the seller will review it and choose to accept, reject, or counter, so keep an eye out for follow-up notifications.